The rise of the Asian unity. A new era begins. Chapter 1. Seeds of discontent. In the wake of years of geopolitical tensions and economic disparities, the nations of Asia found themselves at a crossroads. The region was plagued by conflicting interests, territorial disputes, and the ever-looming threat of war. Recognizing the urgent need for unity and stability, visionary leaders emerged, determined to establish a new political, military, and economic union that would transform the destiny of the continent. Chapter 2. The catalyst for change. It all began with a series of high-level diplomatic discussions held in a neutral city, where Asian leaders engaged in intense deliberations. They sought to address the root causes of their differences and envision a future that would bring prosperity and harmony to their people. As negotiations progressed, the leaders recognized the importance of developing a comprehensive framework that encompassed not only political and economic ties, but also a shared commitment to peace and security. Chapter 3. Laying the foundation. After months of meticulous negotiations, the leaders finalized the Asian Unity Charter, a foundational document that would guide the establishment of the new union. The charter emphasized mutual respect, cooperation, and the pursuit of common goals. It called for the creation of a regional parliament, a military alliance, and a unified economic framework. Chapter 4. United we stand. The leaders wasted no time in taking concrete steps to bring their vision to life. They convened the first session of the Asian Unity Parliament, where representatives from each member nation gathered to deliberate on matters of regional significance. This inclusive assembly allowed for the expression of diverse viewpoints while fostering a sense of belonging and shared responsibility. Chapter 5. The Shield of Unity. Recognizing the importance of security, the leaders established the Asian Defense Alliance. This military coalition aimed to deter aggression, promote stability, and enhance collective defense capabilities. Joint military exercises, intelligence sharing, and the development of a rapid response force bolstered the region's security apparatus, ensuring that member nations could rely on each other in times of crisis. Chapter 6. The economic transformation. Simultaneously, economic integration initiatives took center stage. The Asian Unity Economic Zone was created, removing trade barriers and promoting free movement of goods, capital, and labor. Investment in infrastructure projects, such as transportation networks and energy grids, linked nations together, fostering economic interdependence and driving shared growth. In a region known for its diversity, the Union capitalized on its rich tapestry of cultures, promoting tourism and cultural exchanges that further deepened bonds between member nations. Chapter 7. Overcoming challenges. As with any grand endeavor, the path to unity was not without obstacles. Deep-rooted historical grievances and unresolved territorial disputes threatened to derail progress. However, the leaders understood that the success of the union depended on their ability to navigate these challenges with wisdom and resolve. They initiated dialogue mechanisms and arbitration processes, ensuring that differences were addressed peacefully and in a spirit of compromise. Chapter 8. The blossoming of hope. Years passed, and the Asian Unity Union matured, transforming the continent's political landscape. The once fractured region had evolved into a vibrant community of nations, united by common aspirations and shared prosperity. By pooling their resources, member nations were able to tackle issues such as poverty alleviation, environmental sustainability, and technological innovation more effectively. Epilogue. A new dawn. The establishment of the Asian Unity Union marked a turning point in history. It demonstrated that nations could rise above their differences, forging a new path based on cooperation, understanding, and mutual benefit. The Asian continent became a beacon of hope, inspiring other regions to seek unity in the face of adversity. The union's success highlighted the transformative power of collaboration, reminding the world that when nations come together, they can achieve greatness. In this tale of Asian unity, the triumph of diplomacy, military alliance, and economic integration led to a brighter future for the continent. The establishment of the political, military, and economic union in Asia demonstrated the resilience and determination of its people to overcome challenges and build a harmonious and prosperous future together. Subscribe.